I am here with new topic, that is non-linear differential equation. What it says, a differential equation which is not linear is called non-linear differential equation. An equation we have which doesn't satisfy the linear conditions, then we could say that it is non-linear. Now come to the following points which says that a differential equation is non-linear. The first says the dependent variable y and its derivative are all not of degree 1. It means we have an equation in which dependent variable y or its derivative y derivative are not of degree 1, means it can be of degree 2, 3, 4, but not of 1. It means not linear. So we could say that equation is non-linear if it satisfies this first condition. Now the second says product of y and its derivative are present. It means we have product of y and its derivative are present over there. Then we could say that the equation is non-linear. The third says transcendental functions. It means these are trigonometric functions. Trigonometric functions of y or its derivative are present. Means trigonometric functions of y, means y here is dependent variable. If there we find any trigonometric function of y or its derivative with that are present in the equation, then we could say that this equation is non-linear. Now let's take an example. We have example here, d3y over dx cube plus 4y square is equal to 0. Here I have ordered 3 differential equation, but the degree I have here is 1, which is derivative, but dependent variable y has power which is more than 1. It's not 1, it is more than 1, which is 2. So we could say that it is non-linear because of the power on the y which is not 1, which is more than 1. Let's take another example, dependent variable, and this is independent variable. So we could see here that the product of dependent variable with its derivative is present over here. This is dependent variable u, and u product u dependent variable is present here. So this is the second point, that it is non-linear differential equation.